Hello everyone. Today we have a question about using the menu bar inside our application. So we will switch to the form designer and we will save our form. At first, we will go to the applications folder, then we will create a new folder and we will call it test menu bar like this. And now inside this folder, we will save our form, which will be test. After creating this form, now we have our design here and we can set the menu bar like the title bar like using menu bar. And when we see the controller class, we just see an empty class. Okay, now when we run, we have this window. We would like to add the menu bar. I will go to the form designer and I will select our form. And here in the window properties, I will select the menu bar property. I have this button, I will click on it, and now we have the menu bar designer. And this is the menu bar tree where we can add our menu. So click the new button and now select this new item. Type the text, say file and press enter. Now while selecting this file option, I will click the new button again. And here in the new item, I will type the text to be about and press enter. Now in the action, I would like to call a method. This method will be about and press enter. Now select the file menu again and click new. Select new item and here we will type exit, press enter, and here we will type the action which will be close app and press enter. I know that we are doing different selections and pressing enter many times, so this menu bar designer should be improved and it will be better in the next update. For now, click close, and when we run our program, we will see the menu, but if we try to select any of these options, we will get an error because the method does not exist. So I should add two methods, one for the about and one for the exit option. So to do this, I will switch to the goal designer and add methods. I will use the define function component and I will define a function called about. Then I will click the again button and I will define a function called close app. Then I will click close. Now I have these two functions. When I run the program, if I selected about, I will not see an error message. Also, when I select close, I will not see an error message. But I would like to do something here. So I will call show message and I will type the title to be about and the message to be using the menu bar like this. Now click OK and run the application. Here when I click file about, I will see this message. Now I would like to add the exit option. So using the window class, I will call the close method. Then I would like to call this method for the window object which exists inside of view. So I can type of view dot when like this. Then click OK and run. Now when we click exit, we end our application. I hope that this is a simple and good example about using the menu bar inside programming without coding technology. Thank you very much and goodbye.